Like when you have a restaurant and you're hiring a world-class chef when you don't even have running water yet, something like that, right? There's a lot of hype and everybody wants to do something with AI, but many plants don't have a lot of the prerequisites in order, like clean, accessible data, having an actual business case that is worth trying to solve with AI. So you need those things first before you can actually get value from it. People often think about AI as yeah, just give it some stuff and it will solve a problem for me. But that's unfortunately in reality that's not the case. The reality on the shop floor is that there is a lot of data. It needs to be structured. It needs to be cleaned. It needs to be accessible. It needs to be combined with domain expertise. And then, as a final step, you might be able to do some really more advanced analysis with AI or other tools, but you really need to start from a business case to do so. There's no such thing as we'll just throw some AI on it. That doesn't work.